Lawn maintenance, a guide to understanding and caring for your green space. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common but important topic in everyday English: lawn maintenance. Whether you have a garden, a backyard, or are just curious about this phrase, this video will shed light on what it means and why it's significant. Let's dive into the world of lawns and their upkeep. Lawn maintenance refers to the regular care and upkeep of a grassy area, typically found in gardens, parks, or yards. This involves various activities aimed at keeping the lawn healthy, green, and aesthetically pleasing. It's not just about mowing the grass. It encompasses a range of tasks like watering, weeding, fertilizing, and more. Understanding these aspects is crucial for anyone taking care of a lawn. 1. Mowing, regular cutting of the grass to ensure it remains even and healthy. 2. Watering, providing adequate water, especially during dry periods, to keep the grass vibrant. 3. Weeding, removing unwanted plants that compete with the grass for nutrients and space. 4. Fertilizing, applying nutrients to enrich the soil and promote healthy grass growth. 5. Aeration, making small holes in the soil to allow air, water, and nutrients to penetrate the grass roots. Each of these activities plays a vital role in maintaining a healthy lawn. Proper lawn care requires specific tools and equipment. Some of the essentials include lawnmower, for cutting the grass, hose or sprinkler system, for watering the lawn, garden tools, such as rakes, weeders, and spades for various maintenance tasks, fertilizers and lawn treatments, to provide necessary nutrients and control pests. Regular lawn maintenance is key to preventing issues like pest infestations, diseases, and uneven grass growth. It's not just about aesthetics. A well-maintained lawn can contribute to the environmental health of your area by providing a habitat for beneficial insects and helping in air purification. Regular care ensures your lawn remains a beautiful and functional part of your home or community. Consistency. Stick to a regular maintenance schedule. Right tools. Use the correct tools for each task. Seasonal care. Understand how care needs change with seasons. Water wisely. Overwatering can be as harmful as underwatering. Seek advice. Don't hesitate to consult with gardening experts for specific lawn problems. These tips will help you maintain a healthy and attractive lawn throughout the year. That's all for our discussion on lawn maintenance. Remember, taking care of your lawn is an ongoing process that requires time, effort, and knowledge. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in understanding the basics of lawn maintenance. Keep your green spaces happy and thriving. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.